In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use ticket templates in Freshdesk to streamline ticket creation for your agents. We're diving into this essential feature to help you enhance productivity and maintain organized workflows within your support team. To begin with, make sure you're logged into Freshdesk as an administrator. This permission level is needed to access the necessary features we'll be discussing. Once you're logged in, your first destination is the admin panel. There you'll see an option called Agent Productivity. Go ahead and click on that. Within this section, you'll find Ticket Templates, the focal point of our tutorial. With that open, you'll see a button labeled either as New Template or Add New. Clicking on this button will initiate the creation of a new ticket template. Now, your first task is to provide a clear, concise name for your template. Why is this important? A well-chosen name allows agents to quickly identify the template they need, saving valuable time and reducing the chance of errors. Alongside the name, consider adding an optional description. This is where you can briefly explain the template's purpose or highlight any specific scenarios it's meant to address. Next up is controlling visibility. You have the option to make your template available to all agents, or you can limit it to specific agent groups. Think about what makes the most sense for your team's needs. By keeping this workspace uncluttered, you ensure that agents see only the templates relevant to their roles, which can prevent confusion and streamline operations. Now, let's talk about the ticket email form section. This is where you fill in the fields for your ticket. You can include a mix of standard and custom fields, but note that you're unable to pre-fill the requester and source fields. What you can pre-fill, however, are aspects like priority, status, tags, assignee, group, description, subject, and even attachments. By doing this, you're equipping your agents with a ready-to-use format, reducing the repetitive data entry they often face. There's also a neat feature allowing you to enhance these templates with canned responses. If you click on the star icon while in the description section, you can embed these pre-written replies directly into your template's description. This not only saves agents from typing repeatedly, but also ensures consistent communication quality. Once you've prepared your template, the final step is to save it. Doing so makes it available to your agents, equipping them with a powerful tool to handle tickets more effectively and consistently. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create and use ticket templates in Freshdesk. With these templates in place, you'll find that your team's efficiency will improve while maintaining high standards of service. So, take some time to explore the possibilities this powerful feature can bring to your organization.